बोलते इतना बड़ा क्या ये देखिए मतलब हमारा डिस्कशन क्या वार्निंग लिखा है मेरे को पहले लगा मैंने इधर छोड़ी नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने सीधा ऊपर पढ़ा इसलिए पर मैं वॉल्यूम से कर रहा था पता है अच्छा इसी को मैं अच्छा खाली वॉइस देखने ना 2 मिनट लगेगा खाली सब तो है ना उसके नीचे सब पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो 4 के लिखे सारे खाली वो सब पॉइंट्स होते हैं सबके सामने बोलते हैं करण भाई हो जाता है बीच में बिल्कुल नहीं सर वो बायो जैसे ये थोड़ा इसलिए मैंने रिजेक्ट ऑडियो में जाने मैंने चॉकलेट भी मेरा भी मैं आता हूँ मैं पढ़ाई का नाम सुन के
Good evening. Aditya is not coming nowadays, or?
He's coming. He's late. He came yesterday. He was out for a marriage. He went to marriage.
Sit down. Whose mobile switch off and keep it in the bag. This is the video here. Acha. Questions are done.
Yes, sir. 2, 11.
And why you late? I don't know.
What is this?
Why? From where? Sit down. Cargo sector? So far forward.
बहुत सुनसान है क्या?
क्या करने जाता है वहाँ पे? क्या करने जाता है? बस साइकिल।
How much were there?
2 sums.
2 sums.
So 11 and
12. 11 and 12. Done?
Yes, sir.
All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Achha, he did not follow the 11th one. Achha, Kushagra will explain. 12th one, you know. 2 questions. One said 11th wrong.
He didn't understand 11th and there was a 12th one.
Yes, Kushagra, explain the question.
The next is y are positive integers at 35 x is less than equal to 4 and x is greater than equal to 1.
Is there any? Where is x? Hey, wait. Where is x less than or equal to?
It's over x is over
1 less than or equal. He also changed the language, na? Are read as it is now. 1 less than or equal to x, less than or
so we
equal
should
to
keep it with x.
no, I
less than equal to x, which is less than equal to 4.
Okay.
And 3x plus 2y, which is less than equal to 14.
Okay.
This is the possible values of y.
Okay. Yes. I'm saying after 2 years, sorry, 2 weeks.
1 week.
So let him say how it is fixed out. Sardarji, Panga and Sardarji don't need to sit together always, na? School also sitting together.
Right?
Same division, different division.
But why not? Sitting different.
The teacher not allowed.
Last teacher not.
Last teacher do not allow.
Same do errors.
Where were you?
Sir, I was out of station.
Out of station, which station you went?
So UP.
UP station where? UP where?
Sir,
Allahabad. What did you go?
there was a
Marriage and all of done. So you're fired. Okay. Tell na, tell.
So first we will take value of x as 1 and then we will solve an equation of 3x plus 2y. And if we get a whole number value, we will take that as a possible value of y. But if we get a fractional value, we can't take
Why
that.
not?
So because
You take it.
But since x and y
Hello.
positive integers.
What are the values of x?
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. What is the equation is given?
3x
3x
plus 2y
Hmm.
less than equal to 13.
less than or equal to 13. Okay, since x is positive, I can take it over. 2y is less than or equal to 13 minus 2x now.
Yes, sir.
Y less than or equal to 13 minus 2x divided by
So 2.
2. Therefore, when x equal to 1, what is the value of y?
13 minus 3x.
Oh, 3. 3x plus 2y. Yes. Okay, when x equal to 1, y is less than or equal to how much? 10 by 2 pi. Kushagra. Y less than or equal to 5. Then,
So y less than equal to 5.
then.
So now we take the value of x as 2.
So from here, what is it?
So the value of y, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or
So that means 1, 2, 3, 4
or 5.
or 5. Okay, then when x equal to 2.
Yes.
No, then second one also it's all now.
Okay. You need the answer. It's y is less than equal to 3, 1 by 2.
Y is equal less than or equal to 3, 1 by 2. So what is the value of y?
So 1, 2 and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Then same way.
So when x is equal to 3, y is less than equal to 2.
Less than or equal to 2. So 1, 2.
1, 2.
Then
When x is equal to 4, y is less than equal to half.
half. So no value. So then what is the solution?
It's 1, 2. Since it's sir, it's going to be y can between 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
You have the solution? You have the doubt? Look here. This question basically there is a problem is there because if it is taking us 2x plus 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 13, or if we consider 3x plus 2y is equal to 13, you know what does it represent? 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. Do you know what does it represent? It represents a straight line. Last year done now graph and down. Ax plus by is equal to c. Then less than or equal to 13. So if you are drawing the graph this way, it will be coming out this way. Then the solution is this region. Okay, understood? Solution is this region. In this region, which are the real numbers? So it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This question there is a printing mistake is there, and moreover, this is not there in your syllabus now. It's only one variable. If it is equal to 13, then you will get as what will you get?
We get only 5 and 2.
So then y is equal to 5. Then you will get y is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the solutions? Y value is either 2 or 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Either inequality, if it is given means two variables means it's a graphical region.
Yes.
In that one, that is so whole numbers. Okay, so if you are doing inequality means x y value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you can take. Okay, then and that too depends on the conditions. If when x is equal to 1, y value is this much. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. X equal to 3, y is equal to 1, 2, etc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this one, and moreover this is not there in your syllabus now because your chapter itself is what? How many variables?
Sorry, one.
One variable. No, here this is two variables. This is not. Okay. So, okay, your problem solved, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question, your problem? Which means? No. Linear equation done. Please practice. Okay, so we have done this chapter. So how many chapters are over now? 3 chapters now. GST, binding and
Sunday we have test of which chapter?
That you where Sunday test is there?
Yes, it's given. There's a message.
Where from where you got?
DM.
SMS
There's
you got?
some kind of Olympiad coming that you are. It's compulsory.
RMO is something different and this is test is class test is something.
So RMO is.
Only RMO is there or class test is
So
there?
now only RMO.
So then RMO they will announce, you know. In the online they will give the messages. Okay. Chalo. That's done. Now let's go to the next chapter now. Quadratic equations. We have test. How many?
So we have test tomorrow.
Tomorrow quadratic. So how many of the school done quadratic? Okay, chalo done. All.
School started with matrices. With that.
Okay, you left time. So accept you. Okay, then is a quadratic equation chapter will be easy for everyone. Yes, tomorrow test. Okay, Ashita, what is the quadratic equation? Do you know? Do you know what is the linear equation? Yes, what is the linear equation?
It has a it has.
So the highest power variable is 1.
Wait, degree.
Degree, yes, degree.
So, okay, linear equation is an equation of degree 1. Okay, so what is quadratic equation then? It's an equation of degree 2. Okay, what is the general form of the linear equation?
X squared plus X
Listen to my question now. What is the general form of a linear equation? I asked you.
So ax square plus bx.
Linear equation is ax square. General Swastika, are you there? Samar, you people are not responding only.
Ax square plus bx.
Arey, ax square means what?
X greater than y.
Cha, right. Write down.
X plus b plus c.
Write down chapter 18. Right? We are talking about one variable, okay? Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Is it quadratic equation? Below right, linear equation. Yeah. Now, listen. Below you have to linear equation, right? Equation of degree 1. Equation of degree 1. Its general form is ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, where a is not equal to 0. Do you know what is its solution? Do you know what do you mean by solution of an equation?
Select the possible values of that variable.
Value of the variable which satisfy that equation. So what is the solution? What is the final answer? Tell.
X is equal to minus b upon a.
X is equal, very good. X is equal to minus b by a. Don't know. Ax is equal to how much? Minus b. Therefore, x is equal to what? Understood. The solution is x. You are not studying this solving and also all 3x plus 2 equal to 0 and all. Have you studied any time?
Yes.
Oh, lower class. No, we have to extend. X equal to minus b by a. Written.
1 second.
Next is. So linear equation that much is enough. That was in the previous. This is 6th standard or 7th standard you studied. Below right. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Equation of what? Degree 2. Equation of degree 2. General form is bx plus c is equal to 0 over where a is not equal to 0. Value of a should not be 0. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. What is the variable over here? X. What is A? Coefficient of X square. What is B? Coefficient of X. What is C? Constant term. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Variable is X. This is a quadratic equation in X. So A is the coefficient of X square, B is the coefficient of X, and C is constant. A, B, C are constants only. That is the quadratic equation. Okay. Next. Quadratic. Do you know what it means? What is the meaning of roots? What about the
Solutions.
roots? Mean roots of a quadratic equation means solution of that equation. Understood? Find the roots means find the solution. So right, roots of the equation, quadratic equation means solution. Roots of the ROOTS. Roots of a quadratic equation. Short form of quadratic equation. If you want, you can write QE, not in the this one. Roots of a quadratic equation, same as its solution. How many roots are there for a quadratic equation? 3.
Two.
There are 2 roots.
2. That is not. You are telling something else. That is conditions you are talking about. Okay. Roots means solution. How many solutions are there? Wrong. Right. Right. Quadratic equation has at the most 2 roots. Quadratic equation has at the most 2 roots. Do you know what is the meaning of at the most 2 roots? Maximum 2 roots. Sometimes you will see there are 2 roots. Sometimes there is only 1 root. Sometimes there is no root. Chapter studied no? Imaginary, real and equal, unequal. What do you mean by imaginary? What is the mean? Roots are less. What do you mean by imaginary root? What do you mean by imaginary? Study faster and see. Imaginary root means no real root, no root. You cannot solve. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Imaginary. Imaginary means what? You can imagine only. You cannot find. That is called imaginary root. Imaginary numbers you will study in next year, 11th standard. Okay, how to do it. Okay. Hello. Hello. Close the book. Next is not that only, sorry, textbook only I assume. Okay. Imagine. So sometimes imaginary means what? No roots. Okay. Real roots means value you can find out. Okay. So quadratic equation has how many roots? At the most 2 roots. Okay. Maximum number cannot. If a equation of degree 1 root, equation of degree 2 means maximum 2 roots. Equation of degree 3 means maximum 3 roots. Okay, 3 roots, maximum 3 roots. Okay, sometimes 3, 2, 1 like that. Okay, that is the property it is coming. And value, whenever it's coming as you know, you have to check whether the value of A cannot be 0. Can it be B 0? No. Yes, no.
Yes.
What is the quadratic equation? Listen. Listen. Now what will be searching? Four cases are written now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know how to identify A, B, C now?
Yes, sir.
What is A? 0. B, 3, C, 5. That I don't know. Is Shita listening? No. First one, is it a quadratic equation?
No, sir.
Reason? A should not be 0. Second one, quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. Those who say
Yes, sir.
no, yes, there are mixed responses. No or yes?
Yes, sir.
This is a quadratic equation, yes. Somebody says no. Arey, tell now, don't worry. Okay, now can be. Okay, maybe. Okay, third one. Yes or no? Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, yes. Okay, somewhere yes. No response also. Okay. Look here. Value of A cannot be 0. B can be 0, C can be 0, both B and C can be 0. This is not a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic. This is all the
Yes.
quadratic. Understood now? Okay. 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Or 2x square plus 3x is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. 2x square is equal to 0. That also is quadratic equation. Okay now? No problem? Confusion?
No, sir.
Now, so this is the basic part. Now we will go to the next word. It is called discriminant. Right? Discriminant. Discriminant. Always remember what is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, is equal to 0. So right, discriminant of a quadratic equation is discriminant of a quadratic equation is the value of b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac. Remember this one. What is discriminant of a quadratic equation? It is the value of b square minus 4ac. Denoted by D. Capital D. Denoted by D. That is D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the discriminant means? What? B square minus 4ac. Calculate the discriminant means what you have to do? Now b square minus 4ac value. Suppose it is given us 3x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Those who got the discriminant raise the hand. Done? Calculation done? Mentally you can calculate now. If those who said got the answer, raise the hand only. L. Actually calculate. What?
49 minus 12.
Wrong. 61. A is equal to 3. B is equal to how much? 7. C is equal to minus 1. So what we get? B square minus 4ac means what? 7 square minus 4 times 3 times minus 61. Be careful. Understood all of you? Okay. Sure. I don't need to explain the calculation. No. Discriminant finding, there is no problem. Below. So before solving, we are going to talk about nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means how the roots are there. Roots are equal, not equal. Okay. So right. Getting right. Nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. First one. First one, I will tell you. Don't worry. After those who said p square minus 4 is equal to 0 and done. Who? Smith. Smith knows all the nature of the roots. Sure? Okay, stand up. Okay, what is the condition for coincident roots? What is the condition for coincident roots? First case. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Then the roots are real and equal. Written. Now I am going to use the other words for this one. Instead of equal, it can be said as repeating. Instead of equal, it can be said as same. Instead of equal, it can be said as coincident. Coincident means overlapping, same thing. Are you followed? The words here with the same different words can come. Real and equal. real and repeating, real and coincident, same real roots. Is all same meaning. Yes.
That means it's a whole square.
Huh?
This means it would be like a whole square.
Which is
The
also
root. Like both the roots.
say which is a repeated means what? Same root, na?
This is a
Okay. Same root means it's a perfect square polygon. Same factors. Okay, repeated factors. Understood now? Okay. So now you got what is coincident root. Second one. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0. B square, you all are writing now, Swastika and Samar, writing now. Yes, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then the roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Real and unequal. Now, written. Now this unequal can be real and distinct. Okay. It's okay. Different roots. Okay. Different, distinct. These all words are okay. Non-equal. It's all same words. You should remember when it's coming. You have known it. Okay. Distinct, at least you remember. Okay. Distinct means. Okay. It's distinct. D-I-S-T-I-N-C. Distinct. Okay. Third case. If b square minus 4ac less than 0. B square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary,
Not real.
not real. Imaginary means no roots or no real roots. Is all our meaning is imaginary roots. No solution. Understood or not? So why I'm telling means when a question comes, you should understand. Meanwhile, you know these conditions, but what to apply, there should not be any confusion. Okay?
So the roots can be negative integers.
Why you are asking that question? Reason why you are asked that
So
question?
it is less than 0.
What is it? You know, we are not telling what is the value of the roots. Did you write? That means you are not followed this concept. Are you writing value of the roots? You draw then a quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The next step you wrote, it has at the most 2 roots. What is the meaning of it has at the most 2 roots? Maximum 2 roots. Means sometimes there are 2 roots. When does it have 2 roots? If this value is positive. Not value of the roots. How many number? Okay. Means value of, if it is a variable, x can be 3 and 4. X can be minus 2 and minus 4. X can be 2 by 3 and 0. Understood? Now, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, means what? Real and equal means when you calculate the value of x, x is equal to 3 only. Or x is equal to 0 only. X is equal to minus 5 only. Means same thing only is coming. Understood now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's it. And this one means you cannot find the value of x. Okay, so value of x we did not discuss. Solution I did not discuss. Types of roots. What are the nature? Okay, solution is coming away. This is clear, all of you? Third, fourth one. Fourth. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Then the roots are real. Roots are real. Not followed. You check the second and listen now. Check the first and second case. What is the first case you wrote? Real and equal. Second one? So which cases are real? Either greater than 0 or equal. Okay. So if the question is asked, are the roots are real? So what is the case here to take? Either first or second. That is called this. Understood or not? If it is real, there are two cases. Which are two cases? One is real and equal, and second one is real and unequal. So read the case and consider. Okay. Next case 5. If b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, b square minus 4ac is a perfect square. Written? Then
Can we have b square minus 4ac equal to x square?
huh?
B square minus
X is not b square minus 4ac.
No, it's not like just x square from
It's a perfect square. Tell one example of perfect square. 36 or 49, 25. Okay. Or this one 36 by 25.
this.
They all are perfect squares. If the value when you calculate is a perfect square, then the roots are rational. Roots are rational. Provided A, B, C are rational numbers. Provided A, B, C are rational numbers. Now, next, if b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square and greater than 0, b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square and greater than 0, then the roots are irrational. Then the roots are irrational. If b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square and greater than 0, then
So it is like the second equation. It is like the second.
that is that second equation. Two bifurcations I have given now. Second condition, wait, let you write. First you complete writing. B square minus 4ac is not a perfect square and greater than 0, then the roots are irrational. Okay, provided ABC are rational. Provided ABC are rational. This property, written, provided ABC are rational. Now, this property is this b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means if it is positive, two cases you take positive numbers. If it is a perfect square number, then the answer will be getting the solution in the value of x will be, it will be a rational number. If it is not a perfect square, the value of the solution will be an irrational number. Last two conditions, which are the, how many conditions you wrote? 6. Fifth and sixth is not there in your syllabus part, not there means there. Nowadays it is not there. But the other one, why I said means, if any question comes, that will be. But 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you should know it. Situations are clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, remember, this is not the value of the roots. This is called the nature of the root. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir.
That's it. These properties, anyone, I should, all of you, in next class, I can ask these properties, no? Or now it's most of you know. Okay, take the exercise. Exercise, page number 40. 30.
36.
Different people are taking. Finally, quadratic equation. Which 36. Unsolved exercise. Have you seen unsolved exercise?
Yes.
Okay, 5.1. Kansha, read the first question.
Yes, sir. Without solving, comment upon the nature of root of each of the following equations. First, 7x squared minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0.
9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Comment means value of A. How much is A? 7. B minus 9. C 2. Now find out value of b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 9 whole square
So for
minus
nature of
4
roots,
times. What?
So for nature of roots, every time you have to take a discriminant.
Yes, you always, that is a based on discriminant only. This is not solving. 81 minus 56. How much? 25. Okay, all right. Therefore, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. The roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. That is the nature. Followed all of you? Any clarification required? Steps are followed. Start doing the second part. 2x, 25x square minus 10x square. Yes, Kushagra? Any problem?
So what do you have to comment?
Comment is the root. Since b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. That is the nature. Okay? All of you do yourself now. No need to shout. How many parts are there? 3 parts. Do the second and third. Be careful with the sign and all. Cancellations and all. And too fast. Who completed all the 3? All 3. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Kushagra, read the second part of that question.
So the second part. So find the value of p.
No, question, first question, second part.
So x squared plus 2 root 3x minus 9 is equal to 0.
Just change. Done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Arshita, second one, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? Oh, this is not the question. Huh? Then what did you do? Ishita got the value of b square minus 4ac? Yes or no? What did you tell? Doing. Nehal got, what is the value of ABC tell?
Is 1 is 4 is minus 9.
Is
Minus 9.
okay, what is the value of b square minus 4ac?
Answer.
Answer.
48.
48. All of you got 48?
Yes, sir.
2 root 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 times minus 9. That is 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 plus 36. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Answer is what? Real and unequal. Real and unequal. What happened? Why discussions? Did you get this one? Did you use the doing only? You're waiting me to write? No, I'll make this now permanent place over here. Okay. Third one. Read the question.
2x square plus 8x plus 9.
2x square plus 8x plus 9. So what is the value of A?
2,
B,
8,
C. Okay, so what is the value of B square minus 4AC you got?
sir, minus
I think he's telling now.
So minus 8.
Minus 8. All of you got minus 8.
Yes, sir.
So B 8 square minus 4 times 2 times 9. 64 minus 8 times 72. So B square minus 4AC less than 0. Roots are imaginary. Is it so complicated to calculate?
No, sir.
Huh? Your book is different. What is the question written over there?
25 square minus 10x plus 12.
And what is the answer you got? Hello, Arshita. You cannot do your sums. Now she is going to help her. What is your answer you got? This the third one is same thing only or what? Ishita? Third one, look here, this one, 2x square plus 8x plus 9 only equal to 0 only. So this is the value. Roots are, what is it? Imaginary. Okay, completed all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second question. Nehal, what are thinking something? Okay, read the second question, Nehal.
Find the value of P if the following quadratic equations have equal roots. 4x square minus the bracket P minus 2 x plus 1.
Times x plus 1 equal to 0. Is it or not? Yes or no? Check the question what I have written. Okay, look here. How to do? First is value of A, 4. B, minus of P minus 2. Minus no value, na? C, be careful. 1. Always remember that one, okay? This is the value of A, B, C. Now next, write. Return all of you this much. Now write. Given that the equation has equal roots. Given that the equation has equal roots. Return. Given that the equation have equal roots. Therefore, B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Are you followed? Okay. Huh? This is the condition. We have started only sum. B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Now replace all the values and get the value of P. Replace minus of P minus 2, the whole square, minus 4 times 1 is equal to 0. Solve it and get the value of P. Are you followed? Equation have equal roots, so we apply the condition, solve it. What are you looking at here? How to simplify it? Aditya has a doubt? No. Mistakes are going on. Check what is the mistake, square where it is gone. And you, me also. What happened? You do it fast enough, my dear. Mistakes. Looking at all of you. There are a lot of mistakes in lot of books I am seeing. Stop writing, all of you. Listen. First step, all of you listen here. After this, the next step I will write it as, all of you look here. Next step I will write it as P minus 2 whole square minus 16 is equal to 0. True or false?
True.
I asked you true or false. That only. Is there anyone feel it is true? It is true. Now, I will tell you now. Listen, all of you. What is the square of a minus? So what is square of minus? Then what is AB whole square? What is AB whole square? A square B square. So this is square of minus how much? Plus P minus 2. Always do this way. No need to change the multiply and minus P plus 2 and all. No need. Okay, you can do, you'll get the answer. Not required. Are you follow this step?
Yes.
Everyone, whenever, look here. A minus B whole square will be same as B minus A whole square. Yes or no? No. A plus B whole square will be same as minus A minus B whole square. Do you know? Yes or no?
Yes.
Confused? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are properties. Okay. I'll erase. Now next is, after that, quite a lot of people are done, expanded. And after that, factorize. There are two ways you can do. P minus 2 whole square minus 4 square equal to 0. A square minus B square. You know what is A square minus B square? Don't know.
Yes, sir.
That is P minus 6 times P plus 2. See, you are splitting and all done now, all in the steps. Therefore, P minus 6 is equal to 0 means P is equal to 6 or P is equal to minus. If you don't want this way, other way I'll show you. P minus 2 whole square is equal to 16.
Yes.
Take square root. Listen, when you take the square root, will come P minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 4.
Yes.
Don't keep only plus 4. Plus or minus 4. Then you will take P minus 2 is equal to 4 or P minus 2 is equal to minus 4. P is equal to 4 plus 2 which is 6 or P is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Even if you did by expansion, it's the same answer. So those are done by expansion factorization, same answer got now.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Which one? Expansion. Oh, now 3 ways I just solve on this one. But this is P square minus 4P plus 4 minus 16 equal to 0. P square minus 4P minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, then split the middle term. We know factorization. Okay, different ways you can do, which is convenient way you can do it. Now listen, it's not a who's coming and going. Now, over here, P is equal to 6 and minus 2. Listen again, this answer is not at over. Oh, both are valid or not valid. Can P have both the values?
Positive. Sir, it can.
One says it can have, one says it should have positive.
It can.
It can have. It can have. Okay, tell me. Okay, Aditya.
Sir, the back is equal.
Back, let it back be there now. You have always enough always there. Every day now, let it be there. It will not go more down beyond. Okay, then why it can have? It is like that. Yes, can't.
So because quadratic equation can have access.
So this equation. So what? The question is there. The question is not that do we have the value of P can have take both of it. Quadratic equation have two roots, no problem. So here from here. Before that, anything here Richard?
Sir, whether the roots are specified, it is specified that the roots are equal. So P square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So minus 2 can't come. But P can't be minus.
Why P can't be minus?
Because P square minus 4AC.
P square minus 4 AC I took as 0 now.
It is equal to 0.
So what problem?
So P can't be minus.
So if you put P is equal to minus 2, check why will it become 0? Put P is equal to minus 2. What is minus 2? Minus 2? Minus 4. Minus 4 of minus plus 4. Put plus 4, 16. Minus 4 into 1. Coming 0 now. Not a valid. Listen. Then as means, after getting, it can have both the solution. Now, how to, why it is means, you have to check only one thing. What is the quadratic equation? B expressing. What is the condition? What is the quadratic equation? What is A? 4. Check if P is equal to 6. What will be the value of A? 4. If P is equal to minus 2, what is the value of A? 4. Are you followed? If not followed, instead of suppose if it was A is equal to P minus or P plus 2. If A is equal to P plus 2, then is it minus 2 possible? When minus 2 is it over here, means minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. So A cannot be 0. Are you followed? What you have to check? Okay, so here there is no problem because A is 4, which is a constant, will not be 0. So solution is 4. So why I am telling? Always check what is A. A should not be depend on P. If depend on P means substitute and check. A should not become 0. That's all. Wherever C is equal, P is equal to 6 or minus. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Second part started doing. So answer is P is equal to both of them. Arshita, one question you have to solve and tell me.
Sir, I'm solving the
Second one, so you are going to give the answer. Okay. Are yaar? X square plus P minus 3 times X plus P. Hello, mistake. Hello. What's the answer? First of all, don't write ABC, write what are the values of ABC. Mistake. What are X? Why X is coming from here? What are the values of ABC? Look here, all of you stop making mistake. What is the value of A here?
1.
A is 1. Nothing is meant. What is the B? P minus 3. What is the value of C? What is the value of C? B. But a lot of people made mistake. C value is what? P, not 1.
Yes, sir.
So then you write given the equation as the equal roots, therefore, then remaining things, be careful. So P minus 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 time P is equal to 0. This has to be expanded. Without that, you cannot do now.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Hmm?
1 and
So expanding, you'll get P square minus 6P plus 9 minus 4P. That is P square minus 10P plus 9 is equal to 0. What happens? Something between coming and going? Network problem? Split the middle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So be careful while doing. Split the middle term. Let P square minus 9P minus 1 time P plus 9. Okay, both values of P are possible.
yes, sir.
Check. How to check?
A is
A,
ready 1.
A is 1 means 1 will not change whatever the value. Paritosh, are you following? You're looking little tense. Get the answer, Swastika.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Chalo. All right. Okay. Now this is done. Next one. Second. Next question. Read now.
Find the value of M if the following equation has equal roots.
Same thing now. So read the equation.
M minus 2
Good.
2x square
M minus 2 times
x square.
square.
minus 5 plus m x
Minus 5 plus m in bracket.
brackets.
Yes.
Plus 16 is equal to 0.
Again, it's equal roots only, isn't it?
Yes.
So A, B, C. A is equal to minus 2. B is equal to minus of 5 plus m. C is equal to 16. What happened, Pratik, today? School you were there?
Yes, sir. Maybe is having a
First get the value of m. With this, it's not his take. You have to think. You have to think about the value of m over here.
Is 103 a prime number?
Huh?
103 is a prime number.
103 could be a prime number. Means there is some mistake we must have made. Check. I think your 103 is wrong. Shadra, find out where the mistake is there. Should I do?
No, sir, no, sir. Oh, right. Sir, yes.
Mr. Please. Brackets and all. Open the bracket and it means very equal to zero. Steps are not writing. I said now, given the equation as equal root, therefore b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Then the steps are proper. And where is the equation has come? Here also no equation has come now. The steps are not. Always try to do that format. Reason b square minus 4ac means minus of 5 plus 7, the whole square, minus 4 times m minus 2 times 16 is equal to 0. This is same as 5 plus m whole square minus 64 times m minus 25 plus 10m plus m square minus 64m minus plus 128. That is m square minus 4m plus 153. This is the equation you got?
Yes, sir.
So then CC now 153 taken factorize.
51 and 18.
So he's asking tan m.
Huh?
How to take it?
A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, do you know how much?
Tan AP 5.
What is a plus b whole square, you tell me?
A square plus B square plus
A square?
2A plus
So 2, now you got now, what is, how did you get 10 now?
Yes, sir.
So be careful. M is equal to 51 or M is equal to 1. Both are possible?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Did you check?
Yes, sir.
Because it is M minus 2. 51 minus 2. 49 not equal to 0. 3 minus 2. 1 not equal to 0. Have you followed? If it was M was 2, it's not possible. Okay. Understood all of you? Is any problem? So this whole number. This one classwork part it is done now. So homework part you can do it as in three sums. You can say in similar three sums only. Please do it. Hello. Today also you did not do any sum. But I called you 4 times. You did not give me a reply. Tomorrow test paper for only quadratic equation.
Yes.
So prepared. Sure, all right, okay, bye.
ऐसे स्कूल में मेरे नौकर है बताएंगे उनको बोलना ना जब कैंटीन से मिलेगा हमेशा पैसे देने का रूल एक डाल दिए पढ़ लो जल्दी से रोज आई डोंट फ्रूटी लाने के लिए नो कमीशन This would disappear nucleus and nuclear membrane is disappearing. Isमें the chromosomes align at the same place, align at the equator of the plane. Two daughter cells, प्लांट में वो प्लेट सर पक्का छोड़ना ना मेरे को भी छोड़ देंगे मेरे को आगे का पूछना तो मेरे को पता है कि नहीं
नहीं